Fact. The Arrma Granite is better than the Traxxas Stampede.
There it is. There it is. Oh!
I said it! I just opened a can of worms, didn't I? Prove me wrong in the comments. This is the Arrma Granite Mega. It is one of my favorite newcomer RC vehicles to recommend to anybody that's new to the hobby. I love this thing. It comes completely ready to run, and it's super just easy to upgrade. It's easy to repair, and it's been a few months since I've played with this on the channel for you guys. So that's what I'm gonna do today. This has never touched Bash Mountain, so let's drive. Looks so good and clean because the last time I ran it was in snow. Time to get this thing dirty and muddy. So this comes with a nickel metal hydride battery in the box with the transmitter, a few spare parts, instructions, charger, and of course the truck. But the easiest upgrade you can do right off the bat, which I will recommend, is to go from the included battery to a LiPo battery. This is just gonna make it run faster. It's gonna have a little bit of longer battery life because of the higher milliampage. And it's just a super easy upgrade because all you have to do is move a jumper from one setting to another inside the vehicle, and it's super, super easy.
And yes, we do make up and invent new words for the industry. Milliampage is a word.
Who said it wasn't?
I don't think milliampage is a word, but it is in our world, milliampage.
What's wrong with you people? You'll also need a new charger to run that LiPo battery. Keep that in mind, but all that will be linked in the description box below.
This battery usually takes like 6 to 8 hours or so to charge on the included charger, but this battery that's in the truck now, which is super durable, is a hard pack, which is nice. And it usually takes like 45 minutes on the charger we'll have linked to get the battery charged. Abby, can this make it up Bash Mountain?
Yes.
Let's go. Will she get it in the first try? Ah, easy. Wow.
I am not equipped to go up Bash Mountain today.
What? Okay, you can get it back. I can't believe you got it back. You got it up Bash Mountain in the first shot.
I don't know where.
We have to use our echolocation here.
You're so much better at it than I am. I'm better at getting it up the hill. He's better at getting it back down. Because the beauty of Bash Mountain is, you know, it's awesome. And if you're standing up there, if we take this ramp, it gets air. But if you're standing down here, yeah, you can't see it. There, you see, I don't know how he does that. It's amazing to me.
Okay, now here's the real question. Can I get up Bash Mountain in one try?
Oh, yeah? Oh, he veered right. Did you die? Oh, my shin! Did you do that on purpose? Veering to the right?
No.
Can you not drive? Ow. Keep left. Keep left, man. Oh, that was cool. What is wrong with you, though? Seriously. Left. Left. Left.
I got it. I got it. Third time was the charm. There you go. You are the queen of Bash Mountain. You can drive it down. Oh, yeah.
And another cool thing about Arrma is they have a ton of spare parts, because that's one of the main complaints we hear about people that are new to the hobby is they broke something and they think they broke their truck and they're done. Well, no, this is awesome hobby for kids because they can fix their truck. It's awesome for adults too. Amelia loves tinkering.
She likes to pick up
things.
the screwdriver and help us,
yes,
you know.
Yes, she likes using the screwdriver. And so this is an awesome way to spend time with your kids, or just as a family repairing your RC, and to have spare part availability.
Oh, that's gonna be
super important. That was a terrible approach.
Most RCs struggle and some fail to get up the easy part of Bash Mountain, but very few can launch up the true Bash Mountain. Can this brushed motor Arrma Granite make it up the steep part of Bash Mountain? We're gonna find out. Oh, no way! Oh, that was so close! Oh, oh my gosh. Right now is when I'm glad this is an Arrma, because if it breaks, if something does break, we can actually buy parts for it. Come on, Abby. That was so close. That last attempt was so close. Nah, you're not stuck. You've got 4-wheel drive. Oh, that was a big rock. Come on, come on. I think that this is a good challenge for this Arrma Granite because you guys saw it almost made it up. So Abby's challenging herself big time. Oh. This is gonna happen, you guys. This is going to happen. Earlier today I was like, oh, it's just so windy. Too windy to do an airplane. So what do I want to drive? Well, we've never driven the Granite at Bash Mountain, so that's what we're doing. She's trying to get the perfect attempt. Oh, that was so close. There it is. Oh, that little lip. That lip at the top is just kind of insane. Guys, oh, that was such a good shot, Abby. That was such a good shot. Right at our feet, right at our feet. You poor Arrma Granite, are you holding up okay? You poor, this is actually my truck. I picked this one out. I just really like the Arrma Granite a lot. I picked this out like years ago. Okay. Guys, we have multiple spots where we do Bash Mountain. Over there is where it made it up. Here's struggling, and this is like a vertical climb at the top. With enough speed, things can make it up. You really have to be able to launch it. So let's see, can the Granite Mega make it up this part? It already conquered Bash Mountain, but these are the really challenging parts. I don't think
so much more speed.
I think this needs to be able to hit like 40 miles an hour to get it.
Brushless motor in there.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. It's crazy how much the hill has changed, or Bash Mountain has changed since we found it back in the early spring or late winter.
Come on, little Granite. I think you should go back to the other medium challenge spot.
You think I can do it?
I do. You've been like a foot away from the top. Or put your money where your mouth is and see if you can get the Bash Mountain right side in one shot again. That would be awesome if you could. Look at it.
And
yeah.
It just flips it.
It's this spot right here, you guys.
One of my most favorite things though is when it's going down the hill to challenge myself to get it back on the wheels. That's pretty fun. Go, go, go. Well,
that's a rough spot.
Maybe if I keep like that crooked left over there. Oh, no, too much steering. Oh, whoops.
This is what goes on in the mind of Basher Queen right here. While she's trying to conquer Bash Mountain.
See, get over there. Oh, see, that was closer.
Yeah, it was.
See how it's not as steep in that.
It's fun to find a spot that's super challenging, guys. It's really fun to challenge yourself in this hobby. And this is so close. Yeah.
Oh,
nice.
Isn't that fun?
Yeah,
Try
it
to
is.
get it to flip back.
Yeah. This thing is tough,
Right,
too.
I'm going to try to stick right.
Sliding down the hill sideways. Oh, how many attempts? You going to the other side? Look at her sneaking over there. Can she get it in the first shot again? She did. Okay, all right, you just proved. You just proved that you are truly the Bash Queen of Bash Mountain.
I need a shirt. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna have a graphic designer make that. TM.
Yeah.
It never fails. Anytime I take out an Arrma vehicle, I always have fun, and I rarely break anything. And when we're at Bash Mountain, with most vehicles, I expect something to break. And very rarely does that happen with Arrma, and this is my first time taking the Granite Mega to Bash Mountain, and it held up like a beast. I love it. I think it's a great vehicle, and I will always recommend this for newcomers into the hobby. I'll have the truck, the upgrade battery, the upgrade charger, and just parts galore for this. Link down in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. This is a vehicle that you're going to want to pick up if you want to get into the hobby. Well, for an awesome, really fun bashing, I want to thank God. Because of him, we get to share this hobby with you, and I am so grateful to him for that. I also want to say a huge thanks to our patron family members. Hope you guys are enjoying your stickers because I'm finally caught up. And if you want some of your own patron stickers, that'll be linked down in the description box below. And you can go sign up for patron and help support us in our free content here on YouTube. Help keep bringing that awesome RC content to everybody across the world for free. Well, I will have, I think, our snow video of the Granite popping up right about now. Go check that out. And we'll see you over there. Bye!